The Alva Maestro 5-Ply frying pan set feels solid and well-balanced, with layered stainless steel construction that heats quickly and evenly across the entire cooking surface. Straight sides and generous diameters give noticeably more usable space, so searing larger cuts of meat or whole fillets of fish is much easier than in many curved skillets. The pans are free from common nonstick chemicals and heavy metals, which is reassuring if you want cookware that will not leach unwanted substances into your food. They work reliably on induction, gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops and can go into a hot oven, making them versatile enough for everything from quick sautés to finishing steaks under high heat. Although they are technically dishwasher safe, the smooth stainless interior releases food well with proper preheating and a bit of oil. So hand washing is straightforward and helps keep them looking new. Fit and finish are impressive, with a clean Belgian-inspired design, sturdy riveted handles, and a base that resists warping and protects cooktops from scratches over years of frequent use.